So pretend like that's all colored. As you can see, it just looks kind of strange the way it is. And now we'll start our stamping. Now I need a clean piece of paper underneath so that I don't have the design showing through to throw me off of where my stamping's going to go. And when I would do the grass, I'll add 2 colors of green to get some variation in there. I didn't bother this time. And then I'll take a little bit of alcohol, it's not very clean, but that's okay, on a Q-tip to try, if you want to make a moon, a little bit too much on there. Sometimes you can just add a drop and it'll make a perfect circle. I generally take a Q-tip, kind of decide where I want it to be, and just go like this to get it off. On one of them, I rubbed too hard and I messed up the vellum. So you get the idea with that. You can just take away the ink to get your moon. Sorry. Okay. Now I'm assuming since y'all are in a Stampscapes group that you know how to use a stamp positioner. I'm hoping. So I stamped the image on my stamp positioner. I just used basic black. Then I clean off my stamp and I use a Versamark ink pad to actually stamp the image onto the vellum. Because a lot of times with black pigment you get ink everywhere where you don't really want it. So, and it's really hard to get it off the vellum. So I just use the Versamark. Then I just lined up my design with my coloring with the positioner. Also at this time I could see where I missed some spots and go back and color them in and then come back in with my positioner and then stamp it with my Versamark ink pad and black embossing powder and emboss it. I'm not going to go through all of that because y'all know how to do all of that already.